All right, guys. Hopefully this is working. So, hey, y'all, it's Deltrice Hart Anderson of DeHart Accounting, where we keep the IRS out of your pocketbooks, wallets, and bank accounts. So today is day one of the government shutdown, and I came to you yesterday about what this means for the IRS. So I have a little bit of good news for you, if you will. I don't know whether you're going to call it good news or not, but for the next 5 days, the IRS will still be open the first 5 business days, or I should say the next 5 business days of the shutdown. If the shutdown lasts that long, I'm not sure. However, the IRS will be open for the next 5 business days. So that means that any refund processing, any services, any phone lines, everything will continue until October 7th. Now, after that, that's when we get to see the slower refunds, the delays in notices, excuse me, the suspension of audits and appeals, and very limited phone interaction and correspondence support. So if you're getting those IRS letters, those are correspondence from the IRS. So here's what we need to do this week. If you are a client of mine, then we are anything that we said, oh, we'll start working on next week. If we have all of your paperwork, we're going to spend some evening hours filing and submitting tax returns, sending your tax returns to you to update. If we are waiting on power of attorney forms or 8821 forms to be filed, please file, please submit those to us like ASAP, whether it's tonight or not, because we're spending all day tomorrow just calling the IRS. And I have my team of tax pros. They are spending all day, working in the evening to make sure that your tax returns are prepared. Okay. Oops, sorry for that. And then if we have your power of attorneys or 8821 forms already, we're going to be pulling the transcripts, and we're going to be getting on your account to make sure that we can pull the information even if the IRS is not there. Okay. So shutdown or not, we told you yesterday the tax laws have not changed. The deadlines are still the deadlines. So if you already have an IRS problem and you're not working with someone, now is the time to act before your case gets stuck in shutdowns, okay? Call us at 803-739-9449, or just schedule a time to chat with us at www.callthetaxpro.com. That's www.callthetaxpro.com. Do not wait until the IRS goes quiet and your situation worsens, because there are things that cannot be stopped. So if you have a bank levy or a wage garnishment, or if you haven't noticed that that's going to happen, you have a very short window of time. You don't have a 20-day window or 30-day window at this point. You have now a 5-day window because you don't know what's around the corner. Okay. So if you're not working with a tax professional, and if you have any tax issues, you want to get them solved within the next 5 days. Okay. Now, solving them doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to have all the money to pay them, but you want to make sure that the IRS knows where you are and put yourself in a position with the IRS so that they won't automatically start garnishing your wages or levying your bank accounts. Okay, that's all. Again, 738-803-739-9449, or www.callthetaxpro.com, and get on our calendar so we can help you immediately. Take care.